Civil engineer to construct, the doctor to cure. Sometimes the construction is defective and the doctor will come to cure. To construct a family is not easy. We need a doctor to cure in moments of illness, in moments of sicknesses. So, engineer, how do you construct your family? What is the design? Nangita na kag-architect to design? Kaya ang civil engineer, for I know, the civil engineer will just implement what is the design of the architectural design. The architect in the family life is God Himself. He is the architect. The implementer is the civil engineer, si Engineer John Paul. And to implement that engineer, the instruction is given in the first reading. And to cure, if sometimes there are defects, there are illness in that construction, Dr. Arvis, given by Christ, still in the first reading and in the gospel. Nakasayon sa family life, because in moments of defects and hardships, the solution is already given by Christ. Mangutana lang sa ako nila before I proceed. Kaya wa man jud ko ka-interview ani nila thoroughly. Unsay tumong ninyong nagminyo mangyud mo, engineer o ikaw doktor, kasi engineer, what is your main objective that you get married now? Nakadungog mo? Di ba dungog, no? Ako lang i-repeat, ha? Siya, I want to spend my whole life with her. Surtihan yung doktora. Eh, ikaw, Doc. Kuyaw ni, mura man nagdili doktora yan tinubagan, murag Madres Carmelite. Siya, I want, Hinumdum kong centuries of that child Jesus. I want to obey God's plan in my life to be a woman, to be with a man, and iyang gisumpay, and to procreate. Pro-life advocate. Congratulations inyong duha. Di ay usa mo spend sa iyang life, di asay usa mo submit as a wife to the husband. Perfect combination. You have a very good foundation. Pila ganin na foundation sa building gani, pilay proportion ana engineer kung mag-construct kag 20-story or 50-story building, pila na kalawmon ang adtos ilaw? Rough estimation lang. Kalimot siya. Kay kanira bang ilang marriage, moabot pa ning mga 50 years married life, taas-taas kini nga construction. You need a good foundation. Muna sa SRP, kinahanglan do na gyud iugbok ditong mga unsay tawag ana mga kanang mga tagas kay mga murag solid nga semento aron mutugkad gid siya sa solid ground. Niya mao na siya ay foundation sa building. I am impressed for the first time nga dunay mga nagminyo nga ingon ani ang ilang main motivation and understanding of their union. No need to elaborate more about the gospel. According to Pope Benedict XVI, in interpreting in his encyclical, the latest encyclical letter, the Verbum Dei, ingon siya, yes, to interpret the Word of God, we need scientific way, philosophical way, and theological way. But the best interpretation of the Word of God is the lives of the saints. Your foundation in marriage is very saintly. Keep it up. Pero I just want to give you a warning. Satan is not happy with your decision. He is not happy. He is angry. And expect more attacks from Satan after your marriage. Nakasuway na mo, ngagikuan mo, tempt mo ni Satan. Expect for more. And he knows how to attack us in various ways. But the assurance of Jesus, if you keep my commandments, I will always be with you, and your joy will be complete. The assurance of Jesus is always complete joy, and He is always with us if we keep His commandments. And what is the commandment? Is love. And how to keep loving? I'll just give you 3 P's. PPP. At least you can memorize this. Kamu daghang kay mong na-memorize, mga ngans tambal dok, lisod kayo na-memorizon. Pero kani sayon ra kay ni. The first P in order to nurture love in your life is prayer. Pray and pray and pray. You should have a family prayer and do that prayer faithfully. Daghan kayo sa mga pamilya nga nangabungkag because they stop praying as a family. Sometimes they pray individually, but what is most important is to pray as family. So prayer, first P. The second P is purity. Purity. Daghan sa karong pamilya nga bombarded with all the pornographic kaning kuan temptations, mga pornographic materials and kaning mga visuals nga ni sokom sad sila. Ang ilang guys kuno ana, ang ilang reason to give more. Di magi ko ka-explain ana. Kuan kuno kanang haron nindot kuno ang ilang marital act. But in the teaching of the church, pornography is always pornography, no matter if you are a single or married person. Once you use other visual aids to ignite your sexual pleasure, that is already pornography. So how to do that purity? Engineer, kanira yung bayhana imong tanawon. Bahalag magtinanaway mo head to foot, di na pornography. Basta kanila imong tanawon. But if you use other visual aids, mga CD, mga magazines, mga readings, just to make you very interesting and excited on her, pornography na na, and there is no more purity. Ya, ikaw po, Dok, kanira yung lakiha imong tanawon. Bahala mag-opera ka diha, naman na yung mga laing laki diha, usahay, lawas, ay tanawa. Tanawa lang na ilang sakit, abuni naghabol ang tanang porsyon. Kanira imong tanawon, bahala head to foot, di na pornography. And that is purity. That is purity. And another purity is to remain faithful to each other in words, in thoughts, and in deeds. Your commitment today is commitment to God, individual commitment. Just in case, Doc, kaning ni muduwa ni laing team, mo construct nig laing balay-balay. Muhimo ni siya rest house. Kaya sa ko ning asawa kanang kuan man burdensome, kapoy ba? Kapoy ang asawa. Muna mangita sila dito resting place. Basig maghimo nig rest house. Just in case lang. Please keep your commitment to continue. Ug ato sang i-vice versa engineer, simba ko lag di na giniganahan nimo for whatever reason. Moingon gini nimo nga di na jud ko. Nya murag ikaw na lang alone. You are in the family but you are isolated. Continue your commitment to become good and faithful husband to this woman. Nya ikaw sad woman kun kanisay mawa, continue your commitment. Nya kung kamong duha gisuway mo naa tanang kalisod, naa tanang problema, then go together. Bisag biyaan pa mo tanang mga tao, sawayon mo tanang tao, labi na ikaw mag pro-life ka, nya ingnon ni kas imong mga kaubang doktor na, mura biya kag dili doktora, ana diha, ana dili na uso ana diha, antos mo ana, daghang kay mga anak, ala, continue, persevere in doing God's commandments. Mauwawan man kita kung mosunod tas Ginoo at the start. Mauwawan kita, pulgaon ta, sakitan ta, and then persevere, because after that God will give us His promise, complete joy. So, I am happy with your commitment. I am happy with your plans in life. And I will be more happy or happier if you can fulfill your commitment. And I will be praying with you and for you also in behalf of the church. So, kamo mga nananaw diha, kay bawa na mo silang commitment ha, paningli gini sila. Labi na mo mga principal sponsors, please keep on reminding them nga mao na inyong commitment ha. Labi nang maghilak-hilak na ning duha kay di na sila ing na dayon op them sa di na maong inyong commitment. Persevere. So PPP of love, prayer, purity, and perseverance.